guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare white sauce pasta. I have given the ingredients in the description box down below, so let's get started. I am cutting the carrots into thin pieces. Let's switch it to a bowl. I have added 3 cups of water into the pan. Now add some salt. Stir well. Add 1 spoon of oil. The water is boiling right now. Now add the pasta. And some corns. Let it boil. Take another pan and add butter. Now add the chopped carrots. Here, the pasta and the corn have boiled. I am going to drain it, and don't forget to keep the boiled water separately. Now the carrot is ready. Now for the white sauce, take a pan. Add butter. And some flour. Mix well till there are no lumps. Then add milk. Stir it well. This is the pasta boiled water that I kept here. Now add this into the pan. Add some salt and pepper. Finally, add the carrots and the boiled pasta. Grate some cheese and add them. For final touch, I am adding some coriander leaves. Serve it in a bowl. Ta-da! White sauce pasta is ready. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel.